guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to mark all emails as read on Gmail. So to do this is pretty simple. First I want you to go to settings and then go to your Safari settings, and then from there you'll have to scroll down until you find request desktop website. So do this for all websites, and now go here to your Gmail. So now we just relaunch our Gmail. So now it's gonna go ahead and launch it as the desktop website. So all you have to do now is just actually wait for, so let's just try to relaunch it now. So Gmail, so there you go, now it's in here. So basically all you have to do now is press this and then go to the top three buttons right there, and then all you have to do is just mark as read, as simple as that. So there you go guys, that is how you mark all emails as read on your Gmail on your iPhone application. So there you go guys, if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.